Dear students, let us learn today about articles. Ye, an, and the are called articles. Let us try to know ye, where we use ye. Ye is used in front of singular countable nouns, a person, animal, or thing, which are not specific. We don't use ye before uncountable or plural nouns. If a noun starts with a consonant sound B, C, D, F like that, etc., a comes before the noun. Examples: a cat, a bird, a child, a doctor, a house, a bike, a boy, a table. An is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. We do not use an before uncountable or plural nouns. If the noun starts with a vowel sound A, E, I, O, U, an comes before the noun. Examples: an apple, an egg, an ant, an orange, an hour, an aunt, an old man, an uncle. The. We use the in front of all nouns. It does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable, or uncountable, to describe someone or something specific or unique. Example: the earth, the world, the air, the weather, the moon, the president, the CEO, the sun, etc. Ye is some more examples of ye: a book, a frog, a car, a lemon, a dog, a truck. Some more examples for an apple, an egg, an insect, an orange, an umbrella, an actor. So we have to clarify the use of an in some words, like we use a house because here H is a sound here, but in R we use an because this R is a consonant letter but the sound is vowel. So while using an, we should be very careful about the vowel sounds, though it is H consonant but R is vowel sound. Here H is the consonant letter and also consonant sound, so we use ye. So we should not confuse with these type of words. An uncle, here is again vowel sound, so we used an, but here a university. In university, this letter, though it is a vowel letter, it sounds consonant like ya sound. The rule applies to all words after ye or an, including adjectives and adverbs. A cold day, a very crazy person, an easy lesson, an interesting class, like that. To see some more examples, complete the sentences with the correct articles. So these type of questions will be asked in the examination. This carries 1 mark. You have to remember all the things we have discussed so far: where to use ye, where to use an, and where to use the other conditions. Here, dash plates are on the dining table. See, plates, we are referring to particular plates, so we use the plates. I want dash burger. I want a burger because here B is consonant sound. There is dash orange on the table. Here O is a vowel sound, so an orange. Here dash students are welcoming the chief guest. Here students, we are talking about particular students, so the article is the. Is in dash rush, that is crowd of people. We are talking about particular rush, so here we use the. He is in the rush. I have got dash plan for that. I have got plan, particular plan, so the plan for that. She is always smiling and kind to dash students. Here, students, set of students, particular students. So the article the students. A teacher is dash important person in everyone's life. Is important here e vowel sound is an important person and next is dash best in a subject. Here best for remember for superlative forms we use the. He is the best in the subject. There was dash lot of fun while playing cricket. There was a lot because L is consonant and also consonant sound. There was a lot of fun. Let us see some more examples. Seema had dash apple and dash banana for breakfast. Seema had an apple because apple a vowel sound and a banana b vowel consonant sound and consonant letter an apple and a banana. I saw dash butterfly. I saw a butterfly. Here again we are using the previously referred noun. So the butterfly was very colorful. So remember when we use a word again in the continuation that is in the next sentence, then we use the because we are speaking about this butterfly which we referred earlier. Raju bought dash ice cream. Bought an ice cream. Dash ice cream was very tasty. So try to answer. Here what we use? Very good. Here same the ice cream previously referred noun. John saw dash old man riding the horse. John saw an old man. Vowel letter and a vowel sound. An old man. Leela wore a frock. Dash frock is red in color. So remember frock noun again frog previously referred noun. So what is the article? Very good. The frog. Next Bindu found dash rabbit under the tree. Bindu found a rabbit under the tree. Again dash rabbit has soft fur. The rabbit has soft fur. My brother bought dash envelope. An envelope here vowel sound and vowel letter an envelope and dash postcard. A postcard from the post office because P is P sound that is a consonant sound. Next Daily is a teacher. She works in dash school. In a school, the school has many students. Meena is a doctor. She works in dash hospital. Here, H sound, consonant sound. So a hospital dash hospital. The hospital is very big. So dear students, try to practice more examples of articles and try to answer the questions. All the best. Thank you.